In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the new Google Sites. To begin, open your web browser and go to google.com. From here, access Google Sites by using the Google Apps menu or by searching for Google Sites in the search bar. Once you are on the Google Sites home screen, you are ready to create a brand new website. Look for the option that says blank with a plus sign. Click blank to start a new site from scratch. This will open the editor, where you can build your page by adding sections, images, and text. Take a moment to notice the layout. Your main canvas is in the center, and your tools are on the right side. On the right sidebar, click the Insert tab. This area is where you add most of the content to your site. Under Insert, select a content block. Content blocks are pre-built section layouts that help you quickly design a clean page without needing to manually align everything. Choose a block that matches what you want, such as one with an image area and text side by side. After the block appears on your page, click the plus sign inside the block. This lets you add an image. You can upload an image from your computer or select one that is already saved in your Google Drive. If you are using a Drive image, make sure it is easy to view and appropriate for your site, since it will become part of what visitors see. Next, click directly into the text boxes inside the content block and type your content. Keep your text clear and readable. You can click into different text areas to edit headings and body text separately, which helps your page look organized and professional. When you are happy with what you have created, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This is the step that makes your site available on the web. You will be prompted to enter a web address. Choose something simple and easy to remember. Then click Publish again to confirm. Once publishing is complete, your site is live at the address you chose, and you can share it with others. That covers everything you need to know.